Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and this is episode number 8 of the memory based puzzle game. In this video we are going to do something really interesting, which is just finish up our animation system. So in the last video you should know that we had this kind of great animation that allows our fruits to do this. Now we want to add this animation for a bunch of other parts of the game as well. Currently everything is working. The problem is that one thing I would like to happen is that when you actually make a pair, and if I actually manage to do so, I want this to have an animation as well. So for that I'm going to just open up my player script and just wait for it to open up in VS Code. Oh, by the way, you can also view the script here if you just want to take a quick look at whether something is going wrong. Just let it open up, and yeah, I'm going to maximize the window here, and you can see that there are a bunch of stuff. We have got a lot of code here, and this is already beginning to get quite a large file. You might want to break it up, but still it doesn't matter if it's just 75 lines. And with in here you can see that this is where we are essentially destroying our tiles, I guess. So we are destroying our tiles here. All right, now if we were to use that a similar turn tile method, so instead of destroying the tiles like this, what we can do is we can start the turn tile method, and what this will do is that it will unlock the tile as well as doing it. So you can see that we are starting the routine of destroy tiles, which and all that does is that it also destroys the tiles.peak.game object and this one. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to first of all turn the tile so that it is visible. So just there, like we do it in here. Hmm. That should cause the tile to turn, and then once it has turned, what we want to do after that is that we want to well, of course we actually we need to incorporate this code into the destroy tile function. So what we will have to do is we will have to take this. So I'm going to actually copy this code here, and I'm going to let me just paste this one here. So what we want to do is we first want to turn the tile and unlock it. So for this I'm going to just execute this one, and then we are going to unlock the tile after waiting for this amount of time. And then what we are going to do is we are going to wait yet again for the animation time, and this time we are going to start our animation. All right. You can all right, so the problem here is that let me see. All right, so ex- all right, that is better. Or like we need to paste it again. So the problem is that first of all we would want to turn the tile completely, then we will have to wait the second, then we have to unlock, then we'll have to start the animation for the dissolve time size, and then we will have to wait for this amount of time again. And after doing that, just to give you an overview, we will start by starting the animation for 0, and it will wait for the time, and that should cause it to be exactly at 0. Then we will unlock an animation again, which will cause it to turn. And by the way, we want to do all of this on tiles.peak, so we want to make sure that this is tiles.peak here and here and here, and maybe also here. Yeah. All right, then what we will do is that we will start unlock the tile, then we will start the animation so that it goes back to its original size, and then we will wait for the animation time. And then what we will do is that we will not execute that or this. Then we will actually, before destroying the tile, so this should have it at its normal size again, we are going to start another animation. So we are going to basically copy this and paste this here, but instead of going just tiles.peak, we are going to do tile.start animation as well. And this is going to actually work. So it will start the animation, and then it will do this, and then we will destroy the tiles and clear everything and basically it will false. Alright, let's go in here and see how well that goes, and hopefully this will work. I'm not quite sure here, and let's wait for it to compile, and it's taking a little bit of time. All right, once it has compiled, just hit play and let's see how well that goes. So let's select a tile, then let's select another tile. Okay, find the correct tile. Okay, it did not exactly work the way you might expect it to, because we actually need to use tile here. I just realized. But all right, let's just use tile here. uh, okay, tiles, and let's check that out now. This will hopefully work. We use the previous tile because which was not correct, and let's hit play now and see how well that goes. Hopefully this will work now, and let's see. So this is an X, and oh yeah, you can see that that worked. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, a really short video, but we have got our animation system completely done. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.